I've been waiting way over 10 years for this.
Hip
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. As I said, this is something that I've been wanting, needing, waiting for over 10 years. I already have two things that I dislike about it, but otherwise it seems just perfect. So this is the brand new, at least for us in Sweden. I think the American market has it for like 6 months or something. But brand new Arlo Go 2 LTE 4G 3G Wi-Fi security camera. So the thing with this is that it is a security camera. You can have it outdoors. It's rated IP65, so it's weatherproof and whatever. And the reason why I need this instead of all the other cameras is that this one has LTE, which I'm going to call just 4G, SIM card, Wi-Fi, plus memory card, and the battery is supposed to last 4 months. 4 months with 4G. With Wi-Fi, they say like 8 months or something. And if I get it right, then with the with the SD card memory only, it's gonna last forever. Of course, that all depends on how much action there is where you want to use the camera. So let me unbox and show you what's in the box. So in the box we have the camera. That might be quite big, but as I said, it's IP65, so it's water or weather protected. We have quite a large battery, but once again, as I said, it's supposed to last 4 months. And you can replace the battery if you want. Charging cable, installation screws, the mount that where I'm going to use it, I'm hoping that I can stand it, or maybe I can find another mount with a standing foot and I can still angle it. We'll see about that. And that was it in the box. And instructions that are hiding in the side. I just realized that you don't even get a power brick. So this is what you get in a package. So for that amount of money and not even a simple power brick. And I would prefer a longer cable as well. And if you have more than one battery to use, this charger won't work directly to the battery. You can only charge this battery via the camera. So I'm guessing that if you buy a separate battery, you will get a separate charger as well. So now when I've got the unboxing out of the way, let me talk about my needs. So I have 4 places where I park my cars, except from when I'm in the city, of course. And I have problems. I used to only have problems with 2 of the places. But now I think all 4 of them. They even broke in my most secret garage last year and tried to steal my car. So I've been needing a security camera since over 10 years back. And the problem is that none of the 4 places I have Wi-Fi, none of them. One place I have electricity, I have 4G cover, but no Wi-Fi. The other place I can get electricity, but I actually don't have at the moment, but I can get it. I have 4G coverage, no Wi-Fi. The next one where I'm not even supposed to have a camera because it's a public place. I have no power, no Wi-Fi, but 4G coverage. And then the last garage where I have the most problems, my own home garage. I have no power, no 4G, no Wi-Fi. So that's where I need a memory card. And this one does it all. The only thing is that it's not 4K, it's 1080p. We'll see how good it is. I mean, 1080p is not bad, but a camera this size could be 4G. And then my next problem is that, or I don't know actually yet, because I have a bunch of Google Nest cameras, and Arlo is supposed to be suitable with Google, but I don't think I will have this camera showing in the Google Home app. It's just that I can see it on my Google Home hub, Google Nest hub or whatever it's called. But I think I'm going to have a separate app for this. Also, I am paying for Google's, I don't know, membership, in lack of a better word. And I'm gonna have to pay for Arlo's as well. So that's a bummer. So if this would be a Google camera or work 100% with Google's system, then I would be super happy. I've been checking out Arlo a couple of times because Arlo had good cameras for good prices way before Google had, and their doorbell cameras are smaller, and yeah, I just haven't taken the step to try one of them, but this one I just had to have. Here in Sweden it's quite expensive, 360 euro, 350 euro maybe. In the US I think it's $200, maybe $250, but it's cheaper in US and you have had it for like 6 months. Here is brand new, is not even on Arlo's Swedish website, and at the moment we only had 2 Swedish retailers that has the camera. But I'm hoping this will be what I've been looking for. And I have not checked that out yet to see if there is another mount, but I would love to have another mount that I doesn't have to install like this. Because as I said, one garage I can install this, but I would prefer something else. In my home garage, I have a big pillar that I somehow, yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing. If somebody would steal the camera, there is a GPS tracker, sensor, whatever, so you can find it via the app. If somebody steals the camera, you can find it where they are hitting the camera, where they live. So another great thing. This is it for the unboxing. I have got a lot of complaints that I talk too much in my unboxing videos, so this is it. For the rest, check the link in the description. You will get to my blog post about the camera, and probably I will do, there wasn't a SD card. I guess I have to buy me a SD card. But in a month or something I will do a review video. So what they say themselves is security, you can take anywhere, all weather protection, two-way audio. Yes, you can talk with it, from it, via it. Locate your camera easily, 100% wire-free with swappable rechargeable battery. Secure local storage, that is the micro SD card that I don't have. See more at night, there is night vision. And then we have 4G, 3G, and Wi-Fi. So I need to buy SD card. This is one step for me. I have a Blackview dash cam coming home, coming next week, where I also need to have a SIM card. And I have to find out what's the best solution, because hopefully I'm gonna buy 3 more of this, and hopefully I'm gonna buy 5 more of the Blackview camera dash cam. So I'm gonna need like 10 SIM cards. I talk too much. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask me, and yeah, let me know what you want to know in my review that is coming up. I can tell you this, the Arlo app was really crap. Hard time making a new account. It won't approve my unit. Really bad app. So that's another thing that I like about Google Nest cameras. Also, there is no information at all on their website about how large SD card I need, how long it would last, etc., etc. So no info at all about the micro SD card. So I'm guessing I can just buy as big as I can find, like 512 gigabytes, and yeah, that should last me 4 months, I'm guessing. So SD card is ordered, and I can't do anything because the app won't let me in. I have created an account, took me some time. I have tried everything to log in, but it won't let me log in because it won't let me authorize my phone. And I've tried authorize the standard way with text message, everything. It just won't let me. So I can't do anything. That app is really bad.